Okay, welcome to my channel. Foreign invest net bought nearly 3,500 billion dong in the first half of 2022. Where's the focus? In particular, if only in the second quarter of 2022, the net buy-in value of foreign investors in the whole market recorded an impressive figure of VND 10,417 billion. This relatively positive sign after 2021. The saw a record net of 62,358 billion dong and then continue to net sell nearly 7,000 billion in the first quarter of 2022. Vietnam stock market has gone through a half of 2022 full of ups and downs. After reaching a new peak of 1,524.7 points on April 4, VN Index turned to enter a strong correction. The last trading session of June closed with the red color. VN Index closed down more than 20 points to 197.6 once again lost the 1,200 mark. A total decrease of more than 300 points, 20% compared to the previous session with the beginning of the year. In the context of the ups and downs of the market, foreign investor transaction recorded a total transaction value of 419.337 billion dong in the past 6 months, equivalent to 6.8%. The bright spot is that capital flows from foreign investors have shown signs of returning to the Vietnamese market. Specifically, according to Assistant statistic, the first 6 months of 2021, foreign investor bought 211.597 billion dong and sold 207.750 billion dong. So the net buy-in value reaches 3,800 in the particular, if only the second quarter of 2022, the net buy-in value of foreign investors in the whole market recorded an impressive figure of VND 10,417 billion. This is a relative positive sign after 221 the sold record net of 2 billion dong and then continue to net sell nearly 7,000 billion in the first quarter of 2022 in terms of specific developments on the buying side. The chain of ETF is increasingly blooming in Vietnam and heavily bought money by foreign investors, including the fund certificate, DCVFM, VN Diamond EF, ETF, Fuse VF, VND. This stock led the lead of buyers with a net buying value VND 3,304 billion in the first half of the year. Many foreign funds have sold their preference for FUEVF due to the advantage of a portfolio of many stocks that have switched from limit and have positive growth. Rosberg, in particular, Thai investor continue to be one of the key factors of the move collect ETFs in recent times. The Vietnamese stock market, in the context of its oscillating commodity price globally, the big man of leisure and chemical industry, DBM, was attractive net bought by foreign investors with many advantages to benefit from rising price. The total value of net buying in this stock after 6 months is approximately 1,360 billion dong, and many through other margin along with that. Foreign investor cash flow also flow to another stock in the same industry, DCM, with a net buying of 346 billion dong. Besides, thanks to the insurance of ESOP share, which led to the opening of the foreign room. MWG share was almost immediately collected strongly by foreign investors, with selling right transaction right from the beginning of the session. In the first half of the year, MWG saw a net purchase of 1,185 billion dong, and most of it was done through transaction. The list recognized the real estate sticker as NLZ when it attractive a strong amount of foreign capital with net buying value of 1,091 billion dollars.